the family of late Chief Audu Ogbeh, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, when Chief Audu Ogbeh died, I was out of the country, but I had the feeling of a personal loss. This is because of our relationship in government, his contributions to the party and the government, and how we worked extremely closely. He was a very remarkable gentleman and patriot, no doubt about that. But then there is one thing I like in my life, and that is working with people who are extremely brilliant and intelligent. And Audu Ogbeh was one of them. No wonder he was a product of the King's College. Because I know the process of getting admission into King's College. Today, we mourn his passing away. But we should be guided by what he lived for. He lived for the common man. He lived for integrity because I have worked with him. He lived for honesty. And a very, very principled gentleman. The family of Audu Ogbeh is not just your loss, it's our loss, the loss of Nigeria. No doubt about that. I am therefore here present together with my wife to console with you and pay tribute to this loss and the loss of Nigeria. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you.
A round of applause for His Excellency, former Vice President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, may I remind you that the program for this evening is a night of tribute as well as a service of songs. So it will not be out of place for us to have some music here that reminds us of the life and times of our father and also brings comfort to the hearts of all of us who mourn.